Hello everyone, this is CEO 100 Abel, and this is something I've always wanted to work on for a while. My family's current TV stand setup. We have here this Sony DVD player and VCR combo, the SLV-D360p model, and there's also the iView 102DV multi-region DVD player. Most of these items, the electronic items, are video game consoles. The original Xbox, the Jet Black GameCube, the North American NTSC SCPH 39001 PlayStation 2, the UK PAL SCPH 75003 Slim PlayStation 2, the Sony PlayStation 4 Pro with its DualShock 4 controller, and the DVD and Blu-ray remote on the top, and a white Nintendo Wii, the Family Edition. I plan on getting some more video game consoles, since that's what this setup consists of mostly. I plan on getting a PlayStation 5, the disc version, plus some classics like the Sega Dreamcast and the Nintendo 64. Well, that'll be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Goodbye everybody, and that's about it.